Daghan na tag nagian sa kinabuhi. Pero have you ever asked yourself, kamusta na ko? In a world that moves too fast, nga puno og pressures og expectations, we often forget to check on the one person who needs us most, our own self. Kamusta na ka, kaugalingon? Kapoy na ba ka? Napuno? Nasakitan? Are you holding back tears while pretending you're okay? Every day you show up. Every time you carry the weight silently. But remember this, God sees you. He sees what others don't. He hears even the cries you never said out loud. Anak, ingon sa Ginoo. Dili nimo kailangan nga ikaw ra ang muako sa tanan. Ana ako, wala ka nag-inusara. Before you push yourself again, before you carry another burden, take a moment to pause. Breathe. Kamusta ha ang imong kaugalingon? Say sorry to yourself. Love yourself. Pray for yourself. If you feel like giving up, let this be your reminder. Your life is not a mistake. Your pain has a purpose. And your existence is a blessing. Not just for others, but even to heaven. Rest if you must. Dili ka weak. You're human. And every time you chose to rise again, you are already winning.